What's happening, guys? It's Chris at KTM Motorcycles. We are back again with another MotoProWorks graphics kit. This time we're going to be applying this very special kit to this brand new 2024 690 SMC-R. Would once again like to thank MotoProWorks for supporting us making these videos. We love doing them and we hope to do many more. This kit that we have today is a very special kit. It's a brand new kit that they've just developed, a new design. We may even be one of the first people to get our hands on this kit, and it is in a very spicy finish. It's going to look mint. Really looking forward to getting it on, so let's get on with it. Right, first piece is on. Let's work our way from the back towards the front. So all these panels will be covered. There's a couple of small infill pieces for in there and down there as well. There's parts of the graphics for the handguards, which will tie it up nicely. Headlights around, mudguard, fork shields, and then same down the other side, and we'll be done. Get it lined up here. So there's a few angles in this thing, so it sort of concaves like that, and then goes in again, round and round and flat. So there's a few different angles here. So the piece seems to have been cut really well to deal with that, which is good. It's just a case of make sure everything's in the right place at the right time. And I put a nice slit in there to help with that. Not as easy as I thought it was going to be, that. What aids things like that is the fact that these graphics are of such a high quality that you can you can manipulate them where you want them to go, and they'll just do it. So lovely. So obviously we've had a lot of interest in these kits since we started doing them. I think we've done 3 or 4 SMTs for customers, so that where they've seen the video or seen the first bike we did and then decided that they want that. So it is something we can do. We can supply and fit the MotoProWorks graphics kits for you. Obviously we can work with you to choose your design. If there's any personalisation, choose your finish and everything, we can order it from MotoProWorks as we do ourselves, and then we can fit it. Obviously there is a charge for that. Obviously you've got the cost of the kit and the cost for the time to fit it. We are going to basically just work out a fixed rate for that, obviously because it can vary from 2 hours to 4 hours, but obviously we're not going to charge a hourly labour rate. We'll have a fixed charge for the cost of fitting the kit for you. But obviously if anyone wants that done, do let us know and we can work it out for you. So this one's got more orange in it, so whereas that's the sort of triangular pattern, which I really like that actually. This has got more of a shard type design on it. If you was to get this in a matte finish, for example, all these details here, the triangles would be white, but with it being on the holochrome, and it would be the same for the chrome base, the white disappears in print and becomes the base. So it's got a really nice finish to it. Okay, so we're now going to apply the graphics to the front mudguard and the headlight shield. Now the graphics for the mudguard does go further back than you can actually see on the mudguard, so what we're going to have to do is remove it. Now on this, it's a little bit more complicated than it is on the SMTs, which use a similar mudguard. So there's 2 bolts underneath, and then there's 2 bolts going in the exact same places as the SMT. However, we're going to have to take the headlight shield out to get to those, otherwise we're not going to be able to actually get to the mudguard properly and get everything on it the way we should. It might even make it a little bit easier putting the front shield graphic on, to be fair. There we go. So I'll just unclip the headlight. So that's that off. Dead easy, 4 screws, lift and pull it up, comes off. So we'll do what we've done in the past and pull the front off there. Because you've got the 4 pieces there, so makes it a bit easier having the backing on. They're not all trying to stick to each other. Okay guys, so that is the 690 SMC-R complete. I hope you'll agree this kit looks the bollocks on this bike. It's changed the bike completely. I mean, the SMC-R is a mad bike anyway, so I felt that it needed a bit of a mad graphics kit, and I feel like we've met that quota. So we've got a few more to come. We've got a 990 Duke to do yet, a 125 Duke, a 1290 Super Venture S. I feel like there's one other one in there. I can't remember quite off the top of my head which one it is, but I know we've got 4 to 5 more bikes in the pipeline for videos and graphics kits. So thanks for watching. Again, massive shout out to MotoProWorks for supporting us with these videos. This is obviously going to be an ongoing thing for us, because we, other than the fact that we like the graphics kits, we enjoy doing these videos, we enjoy putting the graphics kits on. Cheers, see you next time.